This is the time for the nature to rule. It is the nature that will conquer at this time. The nature must be given a chance to express itself. We have troubled the nature for so long. The nature has never gotten its time to rest, its time to exercise its authority. Human beings have always been a distraction to the nature. We do not have time to rest. We do not get a chance to rest. We have occupied and destroyed the nature. It is the time for the nature to experience peace. Perhaps that's why coronavirus is there. There are only a few cars on the road. Companies are shut down.